Okay, this is the 9th in a series of videos that I'm making as supplements to some tutorials I posted to my pfSense blog at pfSensesetup.com. And in this video, I'm covering VPNs, virtual private networks, and this is going to take several videos because there's a lot to cover. I want to cover all the VPN options and maybe do a video just comparing the advantages and disadvantages of each, and maybe covering some of the other options in depth. So first we're going to log into the pfSense web GUI, and now we're logged in, and we can see at the top menu here there's a VPN heading here, and there's four options here. There's IPSec, which is Internet Protocol Security, which is a secure, packets are encrypted end to end. It's a secure protocol. It's fairly popular. And then there's L2TP, Level 2 Tunneling Protocol, which is does not, in the tunneling protocol itself doesn't encrypt anything. It has to be encrypted separately. There's OpenVPN, which is an open source VPN tunneling protocol. And then there's PPTP, point-to-point tunneling protocol, which again, the tunneling protocol itself does not define any encryption. Any encryption that comes through PPP, point-to-point protocol, which it utilizes. And IPSec, LT2P, and PPTP are all supported by Windows. So if you use these and you're using the Windows client to access the VPN, then you don't have to install any additional software. But if you use OpenVPN, you do need separate third-party software to do this. And if my memory serves me correctly, both IPSec and PPTP are supported by MonoWall, and L2TP and OpenVPN are not. And it seems like OpenVPN is gaining acceptance. IPSec is somewhat in decline, but still very popular. So we're going to cover IPSec first. I'm going to go to IPSec on the VPN menu here, and in order, there's three tabs here. We want to make sure that tunnels is selected. I'm going to click on the plus button here, and let's see, disable this phase 1 entry. We don't want to disable this interface. The endpoint is going to be the LAN interface, so I'm going to select LAN. And for remote gateway, I'm going to type in the IP address of the public IP address of the remote gateway, and enter a description. My VPN. And for authentication, we have mutual PSK, public shared key, and mutual RSA, which is a public-private key encryption algorithm. So I'll leave it to the encryption experts to debate which one is better, but I'm going to leave it at PSK for purposes of this video. And we're going to type in a pre-shared key here. And we're going to save. There's a lot of different options here. Right now I'm just going to save this. And we're going to click on Enable IPSec and save. And okay, we've saved the IPSec tunnel. We need to apply the changes, so we'll click on that, and we'll cover we'll cover LT2P in the next video.